Well, there's something about the weather when we're out on our own. Something about the path that leads us forever home. We don't need a reason, just changing with the seasons, following the feeling in our souls. Now that you're with me, we're chasing daylight and we're soulfully alive. Well, I can't believe the world's still turning, 'cause we're hopelessly alive. You mean the sunrise, we're still miles away from the end of the day, and the wind walks by our side. We'll fly through the rivers and we'll swim through the sky. Nothing can bring us down when it's you and I. Now that you're with me, we're chasing daylight and we're soulfully alive. And I can't believe the world's still turning and we're hopelessly alive. You, me, and the sunrise. You, me, and the sunrise. And oh, this golden road leads us on forever home. Now that you're with me, we're chasing daylight and we're soulfully alive. Into the sunrise, letting it all go. 'Cause when you're with me, we're chasing daylight, we're soulfully alive. Oh, I can't believe the world's still turning and we're hopelessly alive. You mean the sunrise. You mean the sunrise. Memories of broken tongue, connecting pieces of a broken truth. Wherever you go, it tags along. You cling to it like a dancer clings to you. I went back to where I once stood in that photo that was torn off on the side. It spoke to me like no voice could and took me to where my heart used to hide. Fog on the vine adds soul to the wine. Pull back the ancient sky. Let the bluebirds fly. To you now, let my lovers here by my side, and how ship that took me to your door has now sailed to a far and friendly shore. Dreams have all swung to and fro, but the places where they happen don't let go. The crashing surf, the scent of pine and gum trees lingers on, rain or shine. Fog on the vine adds soul to the ancient sky. Let the bluebirds fly. Add soul to the wine. Pull back the ancient sky. Let the bluebirds fly. Said you're a beautiful talker, a singer of pictures, a pixie-tongued hawker, a love-born hobo, a jingle-jangle man who keeps lost treasures in the palm of his hand. Became a daydream juggler all for her. He would open doors with the slightest murmur. He'd lift her up and then they'd look down at the sky. She knew he'd stare down any storm with just one. The story's never told and it's hard to tell. Did he really love her and did he treat her well? He blessed her always till one day he headed west. What was she to him, she asked. sandboat wind chime. Now when she sees him on a flat screen in the dark, she doesn't recognize the gem that made her spark.